Hello and welcome to the tropical weather update for today, Saturday, the 9th of September. I'm climatologist Orvin Paige. Here are the details. We are currently monitoring the Atlantic Ocean, and we're looking at three areas of concern. The first is Hurricane Lee, and the second, Tropical Storm Margot. And in the eastern Atlantic, we're also monitoring the movement of a tropical wave. That tropical wave will likely be absorbed in the outflow from Tropical Storm Margot and will continue to weaken. Taking a look at more closely Hurricane Lee. At 11 a.m. today, Lee was located at 20.3 degrees north, 58.2 degrees west. This puts the system just about 350 miles to the east-northeast of the Leeward Islands. Lee is moving towards the west-northwest near 12 miles per hour and having maximum sustained winds of 115 miles per hour. This makes Lee a Category 3 hurricane. The good news, it continues to move further away from the area, and the threat of any impacts continues to reduce, particularly for wind as well as for rain conditions. We did have some rain conditions across the area this morning, but these were mainly due to local effects, daytime heating effects. We're still expecting some cloud bands associated with Lee to move across the area sometime over the next 24 hours and give us some welcome showers. The main impacts from Lee continues to be swells coming in from the northeast and will impact our eastern and northern coastlines across Antigua and Barbuda. High surf advisory firmly in play. We want persons to avoid the beaches over the next 24 to 48 hours, as Lee, expected to further reduce in its forward speed, will continue to produce these high swell conditions across the area. Our next look is the expected path Lee should take over the next couple of days. We can see Lee to the east of the area. That yellow area represents its current position, expected to move further and further away from the islands and maintaining major hurricane status, categories 3, 4, 5, and getting in the northern Atlantic somewhere around Thursday of next week. As you can see, Lee expected to slow down and continue to inundate our coastlines over the next couple of days. We're also taking a look at Margot, Tropical Storm Margot. Margot not expected to produce any sort of effects across Antigua and Barbuda. It is just too far away. It's in the central Atlantic. It should maintain tropical storm status, but could strengthen to a hurricane over the next couple of days, but staying well away from any land area. Well, that concludes the tropical weather update for this afternoon, Saturday, the 9th of September. I am climatologist Orvin Paige. Pretty much encouraging you to stay tuned to the Met Office. You can follow us on YouTube at Antigua Met Office. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the rest of the day.